Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Victoria Brooks and I'm so glad you're here today. If you're a man over 50, chances are you've noticed that certain changes in your body don't always get talked about openly. One of the most common concerns? Those morning erections that used to feel automatic and energizing start to show up less often, feel weaker, or fade before you're ready. Many men assume this is simply the unavoidable result of aging, but the truth is there are natural, practical ways to restore strength and vitality without relying on medications or complicated regimens. And today, I'm going to share something both surprising and effective, 3 powerful pressure points that can help improve blood circulation, awaken your energy, and support firmer, more dependable morning erections. These pressure points are easy to find, safe to use, and only take a few minutes each day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where they are, how to activate them, and how they can become part of a simple daily routine to boost your performance and overall vitality. Now let's take a step back and understand the bigger picture. Erections depend entirely on circulation. When arousal begins, blood vessels expand, blood flows rapidly into the penis, and firmness follows. But after the age of 50, circulation often slows, blood vessels lose some elasticity, and testosterone levels may gradually decline. Together, these changes can make morning erections far less reliable. Here's where acupressure comes in. This ancient practice uses gentle stimulation of specific points on the body to encourage better circulation, relax tense muscles, and awaken the nervous system for stronger responses. It's not about pushing hard, it's about signaling your body to function more efficiently. The first point I want to highlight is located in your lower back, right where those small dimples appear just above your hips. To find it, place your hands on your waist, then slide your thumbs slightly downward toward the spine. In Eastern medicine, this spot is associated with kidney energy, long believed to be the foundation of sexual strength. While Western medicine describes it differently, the idea aligns closely with what we know about circulation, nerve pathways, and pelvic muscle function. By gently massaging or applying steady pressure to this area, you do far more than touch the surface of your skin. You're encouraging blood to flow into the pelvic region, easing stiffness in the lower back and hips, and creating a warm, open sensation where tension often builds with age. This is especially valuable because many men over 50 experience chronic tightness in the lower back due to sitting for long periods, reduced flexibility, or arthritis. That tightness in the lower back doesn't just cause discomfort, it can actually restrict circulation and interfere with the nerve signals that travel into the pelvic region. By pressing on this point, you help release that built-up tension, almost like opening a valve, allowing blood to move more freely. I suggest setting aside a few minutes each morning to focus on this spot. You can do it standing, lying down, or even while sitting in a chair if that's easier. Place your thumbs in the small dimples of your lower back and press gently but firmly. The pressure should be noticeable but never painful. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, then slowly release. As you do this, take deep, steady breaths, because deep breathing further improves circulation and encourages your muscles to relax. Repeat the process several times, and if you prefer, you can add gentle circular movements with your thumbs while holding the point. Over time, this becomes more than just a quick technique. It turns into a ritual that helps wake up your body, increases pelvic blood flow, and sets the tone for firmer, more consistent morning responses. It's simple, completely free, and takes only a few minutes, yet practiced regularly, it can bring a surprisingly powerful boost to energy and vitality. Now let's move to the second pressure point. This one is found just below the navel, about 2 inches down in the lower abdomen. In traditional healing systems, this spot is often called the energy gate because it's believed to hold the body's core vitality and sexual stamina. Even if you don't follow ancient medicine, modern physiology points to the same area. The muscles, vessels, and nerves here are directly linked to the prostate and penis. Stimulating it is like waking up the body's center of power. To activate this point, place 2 or 3 fingers gently over the spot and apply steady pressure. Breathe slowly and deeply as you hold it. You can also make light circular motions with your fingertips to further encourage blood flow. The key is not to rush, don't jab and release. Instead, hold the pressure for 1 to 2 minutes and allow your body to respond naturally. This practice works beautifully, either first thing in the morning, when you want to prime the body for stronger circulation, or in the evening, when your system is preparing for recovery and repair. Men who do this consistently often notice not just better pelvic blood flow, but also a calmer, steadier energy throughout the body. That's because stimulating this point may help balance the nervous system, lowering stress while boosting vitality. And when stress is down and circulation is up, erections tend to happen more naturally. Over time, this simple technique can become a grounding daily habit that supports prostate health, vitality, and overall energy balance. Finally, let's explore the third pressure point. This one is located on the inner leg. To find it, measure about 4 finger widths up from the ankle bone, just behind the edge of the shin. For centuries, this point has been linked with reproductive health, hormonal balance, and pelvic circulation. In fact, it's one of the most frequently used acupressure spots for improving sexual vitality. Here's how to use it. Sit comfortably so you can easily reach your lower leg. Using your thumb or fingers, press gently but firmly into the spot. Hold for about 10 seconds, then release and repeat several times on each leg. You might notice a sense of relaxation or even a gentle warmth as the circulation improves. If you prefer, you can massage the area with small circular motions instead of just holding steady pressure. This particular point is especially helpful to work on in the evening. By activating it before bedtime, you encourage better circulation while you sleep, which prepares the body for stronger, more reliable morning erections. Think of it as laying the groundwork during the night so that your body can respond more naturally and powerfully in the morning. You're essentially giving your circulatory system the chance to relax and open up so that while you rest, blood can flow more freely into the pelvic region. With time, this can make morning erections stronger, more consistent, and far more reliable. An added bonus is that this same point also supports overall energy and hormonal balance. Many men notice that regular stimulation not only benefits their sexual health, but also leaves them feeling more grounded, more energized, and less fatigued throughout the day. When practiced regularly, these techniques become a quiet yet powerful tool for maintaining strength and vitality well beyond the age of 50. Now, you may be wondering, can something as simple as pressing on a few points really make that much difference? The answer is absolutely. When paired with healthy habits, acupressure works by relaxing blood vessels, soothing the nervous system, and encouraging better circulation. It's not a miracle cure, but a gentle way of helping your body return to balance. And when you combine these pressure point practices with good hydration, daily movement, and restorative sleep, you create the ideal environment for your body to respond more strongly in the morning. The beauty of these points is that their benefits extend beyond erections. They help ease stress, relieve tension, and boost energy levels throughout the day. That's important because stress is one of the hidden enemies of sexual health. Elevated cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, directly interferes with testosterone. By taking just a few minutes to activate these points, you're not only supporting circulation, you're also calming stress signals, which is equally critical for performance and vitality. The real secret, as with most aspects of health, is consistency. Trying these once or twice may give you a small improvement, but making them a daily habit creates lasting change. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Each session feels small, but over time, the benefits add up and protect your long-term health. So here's my challenge for you. Starting tonight, set aside just 5 minutes to practice these 3 pressure points: the dimples of your lower back, the spot 2 inches below your navel, and the inner leg above your ankle. Apply gentle, steady pressure, breathe deeply, and let your body respond. Over the coming weeks, pay attention to how your mornings shift. Many men report more energy, renewed confidence, and a return of the natural strength they thought was gone. And remember this, age does not mean losing your vitality. Your body is still capable of strength, energy, and intimacy. It simply needs the right support. Pressure points are one of the simplest, most natural tools you can use to improve circulation and restore balance. I'm Dr. Victoria Brooks, and I want to thank you for spending this time with me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more practical, natural strategies to support men's health after 50. Take good care of yourself, because with the right habits, your best mornings are still ahead.